Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, update system and apps, and make sure gestures or full screen controls are enabled. This prevents layout glitches. Open the primary app you intend to use on one screen, then tap the Recent Apps button or swipe up to reveal multitasking. Once visible, long press the app icon to expose the split screen option. Choose Open in Split Screen View. This gets you into the two-screen workflow immediately, so you can place the first app and proceed to add the second. Next, pick the second app, tap Recents or open the app drawer and choose it. Drag the second app into the vacant half of the screen or tap its icon and select Open in Split Screen. Make sure to use the divider to resize each pane, drag it to allocate focus. If you need floating windows, convert one app to pop-up view. Once done, you can swap positions with the middle handle and use edge panels to quickly switch apps without leaving split screen mode. To finish, save your workflow. Add the active apps to edge panels or create a multi-window shortcut so you can reopen the same two-app combo quickly. If you want a true second screen, connect via DeX or Smart View to an external monitor for extended display. If split screen fails, restart the phone, clear the app cache, and confirm the app supports multi-window. Some apps restrict split mode. If problems persist, toggle full screen settings and try the workflow again. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.